Gravity clock. The mechanism of such a clock runs by slowly rolling the clock down a special base. It is this movement that provides the energy for the movement of the hour and minute hands.
This tradition dates back to ancient Egypt, where the sundial was invented 5,000 years ago. As the sun in the sky turns from east to west, the shadow of the pin in the center of the dial moves.
When mechanical clocks appeared in the Middle Ages, first tower clocks, craftsmen retained the sundial principle. The first tower chimes had only one hour hand, which also moved from left to right.
In 1916, Einstein announced his theory of general relativity. Basically, he realized that space is much more than the space we live in, and that time transcends the clocks we've invented. Rather, he theorized, the two are physically entangled.
This is an interesting and quite unusual version of a clock for the house.
The passive mode. The screen displays an analog dial with hands. However, when you switch to the active mode, the useful area of the dial turns into a color monitor where the important events
Of the day are displayed. The time teller system is somewhat similar to Apple's in the form of colored elements and a ticker. There are also other interesting elements on the display that can attract users' attention.
alarm clock for Squid Game fans.